Hey, money magnets, let's talk about how to get approved for a $50,000 personal loan instantly.
Look, Gloria, I don't know why a lot of people are not talking about this bank. In this video, we're going to tell you guys about Regions Bank.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into what products Regions has so we can show them how to get these approvals. But first, we're going to go over the credit cards
Okay.
before we hit that nice $50,000 loan. So stick around. Okay, money magnets. The first card is the cash reward card. Now, with this card, they give you 1.5% with every dollar that you spend.
Right.
Okay. You get $200 after you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days.
Right.
Marvin, that right there is pretty good.
Yeah.
Especially for, a bonus. I love, money magnets. I love bonuses. Okay. Now, with this card, there is no annual fee. So you don't have to pay a fee to hold it in your wallet. And I'm big about the fees that you pay in order to have some of these prestigious cards. Okay. The other thing that I love about this card, Marvin, is that you have 0% interest for 12 months.
Right.
So if you have a card that has high interest, Marvin, and if you have, like just say, for example, you had another card that you got and you received the bonus where you get 0% interest. Well, guess what? You can get another 12 months. So
Right.
transfer that balance. Money magnets, we're all about saving you money and teaching you how to play the game. But Marvin, let's look at the next card that they have.
Okay. All right, Gloria, we're going to jump into the Prestige card. With this one, you get 3% cash back on dining and entertainment, 2% on gas and grocery, 1% on all other purchases. You also get 0% for 12 months, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee. So to me, this would be an everyday card. And guys, if you have any experience with Region Bank, please comment below and let us know what your experience is. I used to actually bank with them. They bought a bank where I banked at when I was like 18 years old. So I had been with Regions for years when I lived in Tennessee. And they're only in 15 states. Stick around. We're going to tell you what those states are. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, so the next card that Regent offered is the Life credit card.
Yeah.
Now, with this card, there's still no annual fee, Marvin. And with this card, Marvin, you earn cash back with Regent's offers. Okay.
Right.
So that's special offers that they may send to you, and that's how you're going to earn the cash back. Okay.
Right.
Now, with this particular card, Marvin, is 0% APR for 15 months.
Yes.
But you don't get those additional bonuses like the first card that I told you about.
But like you said, this gives you a longer time to go at 0% if you got another card with high interest.
Yeah, money magnets. It's all about not how much money you make, but how much money you keep. And this is a good way for you to keep more money in your pockets.
Yes. All right, Gloria, we're going to talk about the Explorer card. Now, this is more like a secure card. This is how you can build your relationship with Regions if you have bad credit.
Okay.
Now, it's a minimum of a $250 deposit. This is more of a secure card. Now, you can add more to that if you want. Also, there's a $29 annual fee, but this is a card where you can really build a relationship, do a direct deposit, for 6 to 12 months, and then they'll upgrade you to an unsecured card. So this is great if you're trying to build a great relationship with Regions.
Most definitely, Marvin. And we get so many money magnets calling us because guess what? They're trying to jumpstart their credit.
Yeah.
Well, this is a great way for you to do that because secure cards can help you get to start that journey and also that great relationship with the bank. But let's look at these big boy loans that Marvin and I have been talking about.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, money magnets. Now we're talking about this $50,000 big boy loan. Okay.
Yes.
Now, let me say this with the credit cards, you can get approved in a matter of minutes.
Yes.
So, no worries on it being a hard inquiry. So just know that. But when we're talking about the loans, of course, banks want to see you. So you will have to go in order to get, approved for this particular product. Okay.
Yep. And I will make sure I got my pay stubs. And, guys, get your credit straight. Make sure your personal information is the same on your driver's license as it is on your credit. Also, I would make sure I pay my credit cards down to under 10%, and I will have less than 3 inquiries. They normally pull TransUnion. Now, guys, make sure if you're getting a personal loan, you can go up to 60 months. Now, this is only for unexpected expenses. If you're doing something around the house, maybe getting married or medical bills. Now, if you can also apply for a personal line of credit. With a personal line of credit, you can use it, pay it off, use it again, pay it off. So make sure you understand which one you're going to get, because when you
Yes.
get that personal loan, within 30 days, that bill is coming. And guys, also they have unsecured loans, they have a
Yes.
deposit secured loan, and they have a secured installment loan. So if you're trying to build credit, once again, if you got issues with your credit, you can still start a relationship. If you got a vehicle that's paid off, you can use it to get a loan and at least get that relationship going.
Most definitely, because nowadays, Marvin, banking is all about building the relationships.
Yes.
We talk about this all the time, Money Magnets, and this is a great bank for you to get started with building that relationship.
And also, guys, if you want us to do a video about business, make sure you comment below. I've actually had a business account with Region years ago, and they're a great bank to deal with. And if you're trying to get up to $250,000 for your business,
Yes.
Glory and I will give you a free business strategy call. Make sure you get in touch with us in the description.
Okay, guys. So let me tell you this. I'm sorry, Marvin.
Okay.
I have to tell this part. This is how I learned about the circle of influence. Okay. And I wanted to be a part of that so bad. And you know, Marvin, before we got married, he told me all about the circle of influence. So this bank is where you actually started that at, right?
Yeah, they actually, invited me to be in their circle of influence, which meant I referred them a lot of business. And that's how Gloria and I have relationships with a lot of business relationship managers.
Yes.
But Gloria, let's tell them about the auto loans.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into these auto loans, okay? Because I love when auto loans go over 100%. You know, with this particular bank, it goes up to 110%.
Nice.
That right there can be a cash flow changer for you, because that means that you can add your tax, your title, all of that into your loan. You know, a lot of our money magnets don't know what that means when it goes over 100%.
Right.
But what it means is it gives you room so that you don't have to have that big down payment, or you don't have to worry about when they add those extra fees, you know, darn, I got to come out of pocket for that.
Right.
Because guess what? It's going to be all packaged up in one for you.
And then the great part about it, they go up to $125,000 for the purchase of a vehicle. So for you guys that want a luxury vehicle, this may be the bank to go to. And guys, I'm going to list the 15 states that you can join Regions Bank with, and it's easy. You just set up a checking account. I would start some direct deposits, and I would use my debit card on a regular basis, and I would give it about 90 days before I apply. But if you got an 800, you can deposit over 5,000. I would say then you can apply instantly, and you probably can get that $50,000 personal loan.
And also, Marvin, it goes up to 130% when you use the dealership to purchase your vehicle. Now, money magnets, keep in mind that you want to make sure that you have all of your documents in place. You make sure you look at your credit, because I recommend that you have at least a 700 credit score.
Exactly.
That's really, really important. And like Marvin stated before, minimum inquiries. That's really, really important.
Yep. And Gloria, let's tell them about the home mortgages.
Okay, Marvin, now we're diving into the mortgage side. Okay. Now, just keep in mind, Money Magnets, they do have a first-time home buyers program, as well as they have refinances. So if you're already in a home and you need to refinance for a lower rate, I will most definitely look at this bank.
Also, if you're a homeowner and you need a home equity line, or you need a home improvement loan, Regions has a ton of products. When I was a real estate investor, I used Regions Bank to finance some of my customers. And when I tell you they got a cash out refi, you can get a line of credit. You can get a home improvement loan. When it comes to real estate, they have it all. So guys, if you're in one of those 15 states we listed above, then look, make sure you check out Regions Bank. They're a great bank to build a relationship with.
Okay, Marvin. So let's do a quick recap.
Okay.
So, Money Magnets, you want to make sure that you check your credit score. Okay. And keep in mind that this bank is friendly with you rebuilding credit as far as getting a secure card or even a secure loan. They also pull TransUnion for their products. So keep that in mind as well.
Yeah. And look, guys, make sure you have less than 3 inquiries. And before you apply, like Gloria said, make sure your score is 700. And the most important thing we've learned about credit is pay your revolving credit cards down below 10%, so your score can be the highest and give you the best chances of getting approved, because that's what it's all about. We're not just telling you about these high limit cards and high limit loans for you to go out shopping. We want you guys to start a part-time business so you can make some extra money and build a legacy.
because it's all about that side hustle. But hold up, Marvin,
Okay.
because I have a gem.
All right, what you got?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for a way to repair your credit, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.